Today I got this Airpods Max. I'm super excited to show you the amazing budget-friendly Airpods Max alternative that looks premium, feels solid and sounds just incredible. So let's check it out. Is it right or wrong? So let's go, we'll check it. Even though it's made of plastic, the build quality feels super strong and durable. When you wear it, it gives you that classy and premium look. It's comfortable enough to wear for long hours. Music quality is simply awesome. You can play music any way you like, Bluetooth, aux cable or even a memory card. The volume control is smooth and it's lightweight so you can carry it anywhere. Once you charge it with the USB cable, you can enjoy up to 20 hours of non-stop music playback. It's fully adjustable. It fits comfortably on your head size. If you want the feel of real Airpods Max without spending a fortune, then this one is for you. It's very affordable and easy to carry. You can use this one very easily. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share, comments below also. So definitely whatever you want. Thank you so much for watching this video. Next video will come soon. Thank you.